Alright folks, I just want to say good morning. Good morning from my beach resort here in the Philippines. And as I've said many times before, when you come to the Philippines, if you don't like the sound of roosters crowing in the morning, I don't know what to tell you. Okay. The sound of roosters in the Philippines is like, they go together like salt and pepper. And I love to hear them roosters crow in the morning. It's like nature's alarm clock telling you to just wake up. So, got to get my wife's sister off to school. She doesn't like to go to school, at least not on time, but we're trying to work on that. So she's getting dressed and get her some breakfast made, get her off to school. And then time for me to start my day. Try to make some more videos for you guys. And just show you around my my little pad here. It's just a beautiful morning, folks. It's our neighbor. It's a neighbor. She's such a sweet lady. And she lives with her husband, who's bedridden. She's out here cleaning up in the morning. This sweet lady, and they live right here next door in what I'm calling the log cabin. And then we have some neighbors to the next door over there. So basically, my beach resort, sort of like a duplex, but they live in our next door, or the lady here. She lives in the log cabin. And she is doing a great job of cleaning everything up. And I would help her, but you know what? This is what she does in the mornings. And she enjoys it, I think. Alright folks, so I got my wok, and the ladies are cooking some eggs. And I'm going to go over daily what we spend. Okay? And yeah, let me see my little thing right there. Okay, so basically this morning, I'm going to run down. Okay, she went out and bought this, oh shit, popping everywhere. We bought this coffee right here. And this is a 2-pack coffee for 7 pesos. Alright, those eggs over there are 8 pesos each. The sack of salt right here, that's 5 pesos. And then we bought a thing of oil right there. That oil is 10 pesos. And then we got this big sack of bread right here. And these rolls are just fresh out of the oven. They just smell so damn delicious, my friends. Oh my god. These rolls are 5 pesos for 3. And so she bought a sack of 18 of those. And I got some ice on the way. I'll show you the ice. The ice is 2 pesos each, and we bought 3. So I'm going to add that up and let you know a running count of, you know, typical day of expenditure here in the Philippines.